having your parents as scientists? How was that experience?
So can you imagine being a child and being told you're going to computer camp, or being a child and getting a microscope for Christmas? Well, that was my life. My parents were really like on a mission, literally, to get one of their kids into science. So very early on, I went into like the take your sons and daughters to work day things at my parents' jobs. And I knew early on, just because of what they showed me, that I was interested in science. And that ultimately led me to, throughout college, pursue a degree in chemistry, and then ultimately land a job as working in the lab for many years, but then transitioning to now where I help scientists manage their careers better. It's quite interesting, quite honestly, because there's not a lot of Black scientists in general. Yeah. Definitely not a situation where you have two parents that have now born another scientist. So I consider myself like a unicorn in the field, because I have these like built-in mentors that I grew up with that helped me to decide to pursue the career that I'm going after right now, or have gone after right now.